Singing in the rain could be fun, but driving in it is not so much fun. Driving in light or heavy floods, or even just rainy, stormy conditions, can be anxiety inducing. As you all know, the rain started a little early this year, so we've taken it upon ourselves to share tips for driving safely in the rain and to look out for those vital parts that may be affected in your vehicle during the rainy season. Hello viewers, welcome to the best rated automobile and safety TV program, Auto Experts, your guide to safety. Hi, I'm Ilda Shaibu. Let's go join Pops and Jeff as he takes us through some of those parts.
Coming up this week on Auto Expert, Celebrity Garage, Auto Guide with Engineer Patrick, Do It Yourself, Vox Pop, and Auto News. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere.
Rain affects vehicle performance in many ways than one. Rainy weather conditions put a lot of strain on your vehicle, negatively affecting its performance and necessitating regular servicing and maintenance. These are ways rain can be a damage to your car. 1. It reduces your car battery performance. During the rainy season, your battery will be put through immense pressure as you will most likely be using your wipers and hazard lights a lot. 2. It makes braking difficult. The rain causes slippery roads that make stopping your car difficult. 3. Corrodes your vehicle bodywork. Although rainwater may wash away dirt in your car, it can also cause damage to your car because the slightly acidic nature of the rain can cause corrosion to your bodywork, leading to rust. 4. Wears out wiper blades. Rainfall naturally increases the need for you to use the wipers regularly. Wipers leave behind streak marks when worn out, which can over time cause damage to your windshield, limiting your visibility in the rain. Lastly, your vehicle tires. Blading tires can severely reduce traction on wet roads. You can protect your car in the following way. Wash your vehicle frequently. Protect the interiors from water and moisture. Take care of your tires. Avoid braking suddenly, accelerating, or turning quickly to reduce your chances of skidding. Use your air conditioner or demister to keep your windscreen clear of condensation. Always drive with your lights on low beam.
One of the ways to test the durability of any car is when it survives the wet season, especially when you are in the mud or in an environment where you have abundant supply of water from the rain. So now, today I'll be taking you through the body parts of your car that might be affected by water. Look at this. This is the drive shaft. You know, the drive shaft controls directly the tire of your car. So you need to be mindful of the way you apply your throttle in this wet season, because when your tire absorbs excessive sand, it affects your drive shaft. Your windshield wiper, you need to be mindful of your windshield wiper because water will definitely affect it in this wet weather. Next, I also want to talk about the alternator. Of course, the alternator manages the electrical part of your car while driving. Let's talk about the tire cover. The tire cover directly protects your tire from sand, especially in a muddy environment. So you need to be mindful of that. Be mindful, I say it again, be mindful of the way you accelerate in a muddy environment. Another thing I've not mentioned is the headlights of your car. You need to be mindful of some of these things as they get affected during this rainy season. This is the bearing. The bearing is in a way connected with the drive shaft. So whether you like it or not, all of these things get affected during rainy season. So from us auto experts, we bring this message to you that you be extremely careful while driving this wet season. I'm still Pops and Jeff. Over to you, Hilda.
Yes, even when your car swims in water this season, as it may likely happen, please be extremely careful. Take your time, turn on your lights. Most importantly, give other vehicles space. Today we've got an amazing lineup on the program for you, so stick around. I'll be right back.
Hey Hey, good people, my name is Benga Denga, the first. They call me the GCON, the Grand Comedian of Nigeria. If you drink, don't drive. It sounds like something everybody has said, but it's the truth. If you are tired, park, take a 5-minute nap, check your tires, check your water in your radiator, check your engine oil, use your seatbelt. It's better to arrive there safe than to be the late Mr. Susu or Miss Susu and so. Please be safe. Once again, my name is Benga Denka the First, and you are watching Auto Experts, your guide to safety. Keep watching.
Driving in your car gives you comfort. People stare at you, they wish they could join you or even drive theirs too. This is why you should pay attention to your car this season, because those same people will ignore you when your car gets stuck in the rain. Therefore, be extremely cautious. This is how we wrap it up in today's episode of Auto Experts. I remain Eve the Shaibo. Do not forget to follow us on all the social media platforms: Instagram, Official Auto Expert 1, Facebook, Official Auto Expert, Twitter, Auto Expert Pro. Keep watching Auto Expert. It is your guide to safety. Sign out.